Hey Berlin City family, I'm Jessica.
And I'm Eric.
And we're here to introduce the Berlin City Care Program. Berlin City created this program to help customers keep their vehicle maintained under manufacturer guidelines.
It allows you to save money and locks you in at a low rate, which protects you against rising costs.
Best of all, you get your vehicle serviced at the dealership every time and get the same great service.
All right, Jess, so how exactly does this program work?
Well, first, you pick a package that works best for you.
We have two maintenance packages for you to pick from. First, we have our basic package.
This package includes oil changes and tire rotations. This allows you to save money and stay within your manufacturer's guidelines.
And that is our most popular package, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
And for the ultimate care, we have our value package. This is oil change, tire rotations. It also includes cabin and engine air filters.
Don't forget the wipers.
Oh yes, and it includes wipers as well.
With any of these packages, you can choose anywhere from 1 to 5 years.
Remember, the more you buy, the more you save.
It's completely up to you and your budget.
So that's it, everyone. That's the Berlin City Care Program.
Come on down to Berlin City or go to berlincity.com and choose your package today.